Hadin ki jing persya ki bajor na ki babun ki liang ka Sorkar jala kalarai ban Khang ya ka jingwan hiar ka liengsuin ka bakit ya kinongelam ka sengshit niam Hindu ka Jyotish Pithadhishwar Shankara Charya Avimuktishwarananda hapo ka kat liengsuin Shillong Airport ha umroy. Ka Sorkar kalashim ya ka nagarai ha ka jingalang High Level Committee HLC ha ka arpanyaw tarik nailur hadin bala pentik na baka liengsun ka bakit ya kinongelam ka kenuhun seng Hindu kanwan hiar hapo kanika kat liengsun lashay ka arpo pratarik nailur. Ha kanika jingalang bala penyai da Chief Secretary ba DP Walang, layudan lang ru ka Director General of Police DGP, ki Deputy Commissioner ka East Khas Hills bat Ribhoy District na lor ki he officer ka tanat Home Police. Habakaren Shakila Patay Kubor u Chief Secretary uba DP Walang ulaong. Ban pentik na bakan ummi kanu ko huri hura hapo Ribhoy ban East Khas Hills nila shimya kara ban tho siya ka Airport Authority of India AAI bakam de satya ban ay jingbet ya ka lingsun ka bakit ya kini kibriyo bakan yo her hapo kani ka kat lingsun ha umroy. Nila yo jingtep bakidon ki kinhun ki ban persyang banwan her la siya ka singi da ka lingsun hapo umroy batru ban penlong rally ha ka kerteng ban yada ya ki masi bat kumju ban pentik na ban khanglat ya ka jing penyak masi hapo kari ulaong. Ulaong ru bakat kum ka jing tip balayo kani ka kenhuan kampat syam layo satya kanu ka jing bit na ka benta ban pelong ya kani ka rally ka bala penbet ban pelong ha ka artarik urisa uban wan. Nalor kata upentip ban nakaliang ka office ka district magistrate ka East Khas Hills ru kala penjari da ka kenduan shispa an riu pulai jong ka BNSS ka bakhang persya ban pelong ya kinu ki jingalang ni rally bat nakaliang ki board district ka Ribhoy ru kila shim ya kani ka ju ka sinjam kenang ban pentik na bakan ummi kanu ko huri hura kaban penthut ya ka syongsuk syongsan hapo East Khas Hills bar Ribhoy. Shu Chief Secretary upentip baka Sorkar kalaya merjing merru baka Central Puja Committee kabala penpa bakim kersyan satya ya kani ka jingtemu penlong rally jong kate ka kenhun.
So we had a high-level meeting just now in which I chaired a meeting with the DG of Police as well as the district authorities of both Ribhoy District as well as East Khas Hills and the Home Department officials. We have received information that there is a likelihood of some elements trying to land tomorrow in Umroy Airport and also taking a rally in the name of protecting the cow and also for ensuring that cow slaughter is banned in the country. They have not taken any permission for any rally. They have not taken any permission for staging any sort of protest. But we have just received that there's a possibility of a chartered flight landing tomorrow in Umroy. We have assessed the situation all around both Ribhoy District after consulting the Deputy Commissioner as well as consulting the district authorities of Shillong. Shillong in East Khas Hills, section 144, which is now section 163 of the BNSS, has already been promulgated, prohibiting any sort of rally and meetings. And likewise, Ribhoy District is also following on the same pattern. And to ensure that there is no escalation of law and order in the state, as well as in the district of Ribhoy District, as well as East Khas Hills, we have decided that we will write from the government to the airport authority to deny them landing facilities for the flight tomorrow. So that is the decision we have taken into consideration, and we have had consultation also with the Central Puja Committee. They have stated very unequivocally that 2nd of October is a very important day in the Puja celebrations. It's the starting of their festivity, and they don't subscribe at all as local stakeholders over here to what this rally is all about, and they have not rendered any support at all. They're not aware of any rally that is likely to take place, and they have stated very clearly that they do not support it. We have taken the local stakeholders into consideration, and after applying our minds collectively, we have decided that we will write to the airport authority to deny landing.